How to make a paper airplane. So you're gonna hold your paper a long ways and you're gonna fold it in half. See the long, skinny rectangle, and you're gonna open it back up, turn it up and down. Now at the top, you're gonna put one finger in the middle and the other finger on this corner, and you're gonna fold it down to meet that center crease. So I'm gonna take the corner, fold it down to meet the center crease. Okay, crease it right there. Now on this corner, I'm gonna put my finger here and fold it down to the center crease. So now we have kind of like a house shape. All right, the next part's a little trickier. Put my finger on the point again, and I'm gonna take this corner right here, and I'm gonna fold this over to meet the middle. And when I fold it over, this is going to turn into a straight line down the center. So fold it down just like that. Okay, I'm going to do the other side. Put my finger here, grab this corner, and I'm going to fold it over to meet the middle. So now I have kind of like a big triangle. Now I'm going to fold it in on itself together. So I'm going to fold it in half right there on that center crease. So now I have a skinny triangle. Now, all right, so this is our front of our airplane. This is our back. We're gonna take the top where it opens, the top of this side, this corner, and I'm gonna fold it down to meet the bottom of my airplane. Crease that down. I'm gonna go to the other side. On the back, do the same thing. Grab the corner and fold it down to the bottom and crease it really good. And now you have your paper airplane. You can also stick a paper clip on the nose of your airplane, and that can change how it flies as well, and you can experiment and see if it makes it go straighter or faster, or if you like it better without it. You can even try changing the way your wings are. Maybe you want to add a fold up on the edge of your wing to make it kind of look cool, and see if that changes how it flies. All right, have fun. Bye, Solar Girls.